look at that back there. Look at that down. Oh, that is so neat. Little canyon back there. So, all right, hope you're enjoying this as much as I am. I am really enjoying this. This canyon. Oh, look at that. That is just too cool. All right, Dad Random here. Hey, I got the DJI 360 out. So about a 360, I'm excited. I wanna fly the ridge up there. Beautiful, so beautiful here. So I'm in Kanab, and it's like the most scenic place in southern Utah. And yeah, every time I come out here and visit my mom, I like to fly. It's just so scenic. And this drone here, if you have not experienced the DJI Avata 360, it's killer. It is my favorite love right now. It is my passion to fly that drone. And we're just flying it with the controller. Nothing fancy today. And that's the other great thing about this drone is you can fly it with the standard controller and just take advantage of the 360 video. It's just amazing. So, all right, so we're loading up. Should have a full battery today. Yeah, let's fly it. Let's fly. Oh man, oh look at that remote ID error. Oh, that's okay. All right, and we got. Yep, we're good there. 16 satellites. Home point updated. We are ready to go. All right. It's going to be a little loud at first. And hopefully, it should be able to find its way out of here. Oh man. All right, we are. And you can see where I'm flying. You know I'm going to take off. Oh, look at how pretty that is out there. I just love it. This 8K footage is just absolutely amazing. So, get my antennas up there. I'm seeing some sun flares right now. You know, that's just part of it. That's just part of this this platform. You gotta hit the sun just right. And it is so loud. That's the only thing I'd say. If there is any drawback, so we should have that. All right. Now we're flying up in elevation, so we're going to take advantage of that higher elevation. We're going to fly the scenery up there. There's a different part of it that I want to get to. That I've never filmed this side, so I'm going to film the this back half, and there's some different color rocks up there too. So I want to go and I want to look at those. So let's take advantage of this lower area here. I'm probably going to do a 360 flight and a standard flight like I'm doing now, a narrated, edited flight. I just love it. I've some of my best footage I've ever experienced here. Maybe I should be filming. Okay, let's do this too. Let's also do a screen recording. I almost broke 2 rules right there. So let's see. Yeah, we're okay. Now we're recording our screen. All right, here we go. All right. I almost made a mistake there. I wasn't even filming. We'll get the way back. I'll just fast forward it, and looks really good. I don't see too many anomalies yet, so hopefully we can. I'm going to slow it down. Get this front side. Remember, when you're flying the 360, do not pay attention close. The biggest thing you need to look for is for the screen, the sun flares. If you see any flares on your footage, you need to immediately correct your camera. See, there's some of it right there. I'm starting to see some. You can't get rid of all of them. You're just, you know. But I love it. We're going to get this beautiful elevation, and we're going to get this great contrast of you know, a little parallax. So we're going to get some distance. We're going to see some stuff up close. And that should be amazing. It should be just glorious up here. Everything's good. We got good RC. A little bit, I see a little bit of solar flare stuff, but that's okay, you know. Little lens flaring. I'm gonna fly a little slower today. We already, just to get up here, we used quite a bit of battery. So we can, as long as we have to stay in the front of this formation. I can see a really white outcropping that I kind of want to try to get a piece of, but I can't. You know, I do have some protection with the return to home. I did get a good return to home positive feedback. So when I first took off. So we're getting a really good shot here, and I just have to use my altitude and use my terrain to my advantage. If I get, yeah, see, I'm starting to see a little bit of interference. So once again, we got to get up higher. See, now there we go. Now we're out of it. So like I said, you have to go where you know you're getting clear line of sight. So that's good there. So far so good. And I'm gonna fly to about 65, 64, 60, I don't know, the 60s. I'm gonna stay in the 60s percentage wise. Let's see, I'm gonna move a little bit. Don't mess with the camera too much. That's so pretty. And then I'll turn back. I just want to get over this area. I've never filmed this area over here. This is just really cool. I'm really hitting the jackpot over here. A Kanab is just absolutely amazing. Look at how white this rock is. So much contrast. See the red and the white? I'm just going to take my time through this over here. I can see where I'm at. I've got clear footage. Look at that. That is really cool. Just gonna go really slow through here. And then I'm gonna play around with my altitude over here. I can't go any farther to the right. Otherwise I'm gonna lose my lines, my control lines. So just really cool. Look at that back there. Look at that down. Oh, that is so neat. Little canyon back there. So, all right, hope you're enjoying this as much as I am. I am really enjoying this canyon. Oh, look at that. That is just too cool. Right there, we're getting obstructed, so we're gonna go up. Gonna go out. There we go. We're getting back into it. Let's see. We're getting lost again. We're gonna get more altitude. There we go. And I think we should be good there. There we go. Let's get out in this really wide open space, and then we'll come back down, and we're gonna come back. So we're at 58%. Yeah, we should probably start returning at this point. We have a lot of green, and remember, on our way down, we come back, we're pretty much going down. So, right, it's time to turn, and then we'll look at some beautiful footage on our way back. Perfect. I've got a great line coming back. We should get some good video on this return side. That's so cool. And looks like we're just gonna take our time. I'm gonna go straight and level. And just, we should get, I think we hit the jackpot today, guys. I really do think we have just hit the video jackpot. And it's all downhill, so we can really conserve battery coming back because of the way we planned out our trip. I really, really think this is a drone that is in need of a lot more. I just think that we need more more love for it. I just don't know why the love for this drone hasn't been just so much more, so much more than it's gotten. It says I think we've just. All right. We're just there working our way down. The drone is preventing us from doing anything stupid. We'll follow this ridge line right here. And strong winds, yeah, let's gonna keep get out of that wind for sure. All right, we filled up our SD card. Oh boy. All right, yeah, we're okay. So I'm coming down. Looks like we're making good time, good speed. Looks like we're making some good progress. But yeah, that was a really neat flight. And we're pretty green, so returning should be no problem. Well, we're almost back. All right, so dead random. All right, should I put it in return to home? All right, let's go ahead and return to home. We're just gonna let it do an auto return. Kind of fun. Oh boy, it's so loud. That's like I said, the only thing that this thing kind of lacks is a little bit of stealthiness. But there she is. Oh, she is flying like, yeah, what a great drone. 32%. And we've got good. We've got we're gonna doing this return here. Oh, that's can't land there. Get it in landing mode here. Let's see if we can get it to land. There we go. We just needed it to flip its camera over. Wow, that is so annoying. It is so loud. All right. But we got the shots. The only thing that I kind of worry about is I've been using this camera a lot. So, but yeah. So Yeah, thing uses a lot of memory, lots. All right, dead random for the DJI Avata 360. Yes. Hope you like that flight.